What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have two cases here from i-Blason. Now there's one for the iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, got the natural and the big boy, and I got the desert and the beautiful iPhone 16 Pro. Now these are called the Armorbox cases from i-Blason. Now they have a integrated camera control button that has 46 pure copper conductors for easy sliding motion, so that you can use your camera control button like if you had no case, basically. This is a full body design. We're gonna look at the Pro one, the Pro Max first. You can see here, this is the green. Now these come in different colors. It almost looks like an Iron Man case. You got some warranty information here for your case. 12-month warranty, some other stuff here. Please, you can take a look at installation. Now this is I believe a two-piece design. So you have the front piece for your screen protector. So basically a built-in screen protector. And then you have the back piece. And then they also have the clever kickstand or cover for your camera. So it's a kickstand, then it's a complete cover. So you can basically cover your whole deal there for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we're gonna go ahead and take this apart. I'm gonna kind of peel it away so that you can get to the outer piece. It's pretty easy. You just peel the rubber off completely. Now this is serious protection. So if you're looking for some serious protection for your iPhone, this is definitely one you should check out. So there's the piece there for your, let's take this out. So the cool thing is you get a built-in screen protector, basically. You got a little hole there for your camera. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy in, and this has like a very soft piece there. You got your power button there. Your camera control is here. There's your camera control. There's the copper conductors. So I think that is really smart, which is probably what a lot of case companies should do, but some like keeping the button open, some don't. All right, so what you want to do is you want to grab this piece here and slide it into your power button side and your camera control, and then it'll just slide over to your your volume up and down. And then what you want to do is basically just put this down and in. And kind of just fit it around your whole piece here. And then you're gonna be rocking and rolling. As you can see, you got total coverage. Look at this. Isn't that fantastic? Look at that. That is just, this is the supreme. And then you got your, you're able to see your apps. You're able to do your thing. You're able to dial. Everything works, so you don't have to worry about that. Check out the weather. The buttons are very good. They're very tactile, volume up and down, action button. Let's check out the camera control, because that camera control button there is really unique. So it opens up the camera. Oh, we have the piece is covering the camera, so let's open that up, and then we're gonna try the oh yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah, they have 46 pure copper conductors for easy sliding. This is smart. This is very, very smart. Smarts. Wicked smarts. You guys are wicked smart. And then if you want to cover up your camera, I'm not crazy about, I wish it just had the lens, not this, but it had like a bar around it so you could still use it as a kickstand. So this is basically what you're doing. So you want to watch videos, you can do something like that. So that's kind of cool. All right, let's take a look at the one for the iPhone 16 Pro. So basically same packaging, same deal. This one is a silver. So let me see how many colors this comes in. I'm sure it has a bunch of colors. Yeah, they have a red, they have a green, they have a black, they have a gray, they have a gold. So yeah, this is definitely something decent. You want to check it out. I'm going to pull this apart again. And it takes some little prying to get off, but once you get it off, you're good to go. And then you just release the screen protector in a bit. And then what you want to do is take your device and put it on this side with the camera, the power button, and the camera control. And then just slide it over your other buttons, and then you're good to go. This in a gold would look really good. And then basically you just kind of work it around in here. So everything is nice and snug. Man, this is the ultimate case. I mean, this is Iron Man at its fullest. I'm not crazy about just locking this, but I do like how you can use this for a kickstand. Same thing here, buttons work good. Let's check out the screen. Yeah, everything works good. So you're good to go. Dancing Joe, let's call him. What else? Yeah, everything works here. Let's try the camera. Oh yeah. Camera control. Yeah, this is genius. That was smart with the little copper things. The camera control is legit. This is a little cheat sheet. That's my cheat sheet. Yeah, this is great. And we can't forget MagSafe, right? So you got MagSafe on deck. Very strong. Good to go. A couple here. Put it here. Yep. And then let's try it on the big boy. There you go. Pretty strong. Over here. Go. Pretty strong. So you're good to go. Yeah, man, these are definitely really good cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So they're very heavy duty though. I will say that they're heavy duty, but they have a lot of potential. I love the it's the best. This is the best camera control button on a case, bar none. It doesn't get any better than this. I'll tell you that right now. You're able to, you don't have to really force it. It's almost like you don't have a button, or you don't have a case. Yeah, this is nice. Nice job, i-Blason. Nice job.